Hi there. Let's have a look at how to input journal entries into Numisma. So from your business's dashboard, click on Accountant on the left menu. And then from the Accountant dashboard, click on the plus button next to Journals. And then enter a date. And then a description for this journal batch. And then you can also choose what currency you'd like to post this journal. So you can use any currency you like, GBP, Euros, USD. So there's a big list here. So you can use any of these currencies. So our system supports multi-currency. So let's just go ahead. So let's start. So I'm just going to post an accountancy fees. And then let's post sales. And then you can go ahead and post multiple entries. And if you do need more lines, just tick this box to enable more lines to come up. But then once you're done, scroll down and click on the Save button. So it's as simple as that to add journal entries into Numisma. And they will appear under the list of journals here, along with any trial balance you've imported as well. If you need to edit this journal again, go into the Journals heading, so click on Journals, and then you can find the journals or any trial balance that you've imported into the system. You'll then be able to click on the Edit button to edit the journals. You can delete it if you've say inputted, if you've got it into the system by mistake. And what you can also do is you can upload and attach a document for this journal entry. So you could just click into this box and you can attach any supporting documents relating to the set of journals that you have inputted into the system. So that's it from me for this video. I hope this was helpful. If you do have any further questions, do give us a call back on 020-3021-2326, or you can send us an email at support@numisma.co.uk. Thank you very much. Bye for now.